So I wanted to answer a question that I got today, and some gentleman that I spoke to, who's been struggling. He got sold the dream of selling life insurance. He's going to make, hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. He, left everything in the solar industry to get started with a three-letter IMO, the same three-letter IMO I got started with. He's seen the unethical behavior. He was told to spend over $1,200 a week in leads, and he never got the training that he was promised. And he's like, I'm lost. I was sold this massive dream. Is this whole thing a scam? And I want to answer that question right now. Is selling life insurance a scam? And ultimately, too, I want to share with you the red flags and signs to look for when you are with a life insurance agency or a company that will help you understand if this is a scam or if it's actually real. Now, personally, I'm going to speak from my personal experience. Number one, life insurance is a product that people need, that people continue to buy, and has multiple millions and millions of dollars and even billions of dollar market cap. So it's an industry that has been around for hundreds of years. So the actual industry itself is not a scam. But what happens is the people that get into the industry create a scam-like approach, agencies, and here are the 3 red flags. But life insurance, before I kind of bash the life insurance industry and tell you the things to look out for, life insurance for me has been fruitful. Life insurance has changed my life. Life insurance has allowed me to make an impact. Life insurance has allowed me to have my purpose when helping people, serving people, giving people the peace of mind, and it allows me to wake up every single day excited to help people. So the industry itself can serve and help people, and you can make a ton of money. But here's the issue with the insurance industry. Number one, it's a scam when it comes down to the number one unethical behaviors of the insurance industry. Selling life insurance at that 3-letter IMO that I was with was filled with unethical behavior. And it starts with the training. It's the lack of training. It's the lack of the promises that you're going to make all this money. It's the promises that all you have to do this. It's the, things left behind the uncurtain that's unsaid. And when you get started, you typically give up everything. You get sold this massive dream. And then eventually you get started and you're like, dude, where do I even go? And that's the problem about the industry. You're scammed by the people that bring you in. You're scammed by the companies that actually sell you because there's a secret agenda that MLM companies have that you are going to be a part of. Number one is mass recruiting. Not only is the training bad, but secondly, if you're part of an organization or a company, when you see hundreds of people coming in, hundreds of faces coming in, coming out, telling you to recruit, when you yourself are not making money, that is a scam. When someone is trying to change your beliefs, change your identity, change who you are, when you haven't even got the results yet, to tell some other people to come in here and do what you have not yet accomplished, that is a scam. But when you can fully have transparently changed your life, you have evidence, bank account statement, sales results, real numbers, real data, and you can actually sell that product to someone else to change their life, to help someone else, then that's not a scam. But what happens right now is nobody's making money, and everyone thinks that the solution is to bring more people into this mess. Bring more people in, recruit more people, tell your friends to get stuck in the same BS situation that I was in. This is what I was told when I was with that 3-letter IMO. And eventually I said, I had enough. If I'm not doing this for myself, if I can't recruit my brother, if I can't bring my family member into this, then how the heck is other people going to make this work? So the training's bad. The whole agenda is about recruiting. The whole agenda is about bringing people in. The whole agenda is seeing people come in. And the last thing is that if people are not actually being helped at the end of the day, products are not being represented the right way. Clients are being put into bad positions. You are selling products like IULs or certain whole life policies with waiting periods, and you're putting people in tough positions where they're not actually serving them. Then that is a scam. Our goal as people inside of an insurance agency or a company, and mission as a people inside the insurance industry, is to sell really good products that people believe in, but also help people. And it's sad to see that only people make money when they can, sell a terrible product or sell a product that people don't believe in and are told to push this product because it has the highest commissions and it's unethical. And they continue to do this. They continue to recruit people. They continue to bring other people into this. And that is what creates this negative reputation. When ethics are being impeached, when people are being lied to, when the whole industry is being shifted because people are just continuing to do the wrong things for people, and the clients are being not served the right way. So when you have agents being not taken care of, when you have clients being lied to, you have people that are continuing to be funneled into this whole MLM business, it is a scam. And my warning to you is right now, if you're with a company and you see people come in and people go out, if you're with a company where the leader's lying to you and you can tell and you can feel something's off, Ron. If you can tell that the products and people, and there's not real reviews, and there's not being people helped, but it's all a show, it's a facade, then it's a scam. But I promise that you can make a ton of money, and you can do things right, and you can change the industry, and you can help people if you have a heart of service. You want to help and love and serve people and have great products, you will make money. So the industry, in all, is not a scam, but 90% of the companies out there are going to set you up in an MLM model and disguise it as a helping or a serviceful company, but it actually is a scam. So know who you're working with, know who your leaders are, know what products you represent, and do what's right for people. And this is why this channel is created, to serve people, to help you, and ultimately you can make a difference. You can make a change in the industry, and you can go out there and love people. Cheers.